Hey there, business leaders. When you hear blockchain, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Crypto? Bitcoin? Well, blockchain is so much more than that. From securing financial transactions to creating transparent supply chains, enterprises across industries are leveraging blockchain to enhance security and trust. Today I am breaking down real-world use cases that proves blockchain is the future of enterprise operations. Let's dive in. In a world where data breaches, frauds, and inefficiencies cost businesses billions, blockchain offers a game-changing solution. Here's why enterprises are turning to blockchain. Security. Blockchain encrypts and decentralized data, making it nearly impossible for hackers to alter records. Transparency. Every transaction is recorded on an immutable ledger, ensuring full traceability and reducing fraud. Efficiency. Smart contract automate processes, eliminating paperwork and reducing human error. Let's explore how industries are leveraging blockchain to reshape their future. Number 1. Financial services. Secure and instant transactions. Banks and financial institutions are using blockchain to make transactions more faster and more secure. Take cross-border payments. Traditionally, they take days and involve multiple intermediaries. But with blockchain, transactions happen in seconds, reducing cost and fraud risk. Number 2. Supply chain complete transparency. Ever wonder where your products really come from? Companies like IBM and Walmart are using blockchain to track goods from production to delivery. This ensures authenticity, reduces counterfeiting, and allows customers to verify ethical sourcing, creating trust like never before. Number 3. Healthcare. Securing patient data. Data security is a massive challenge in healthcare. Blockchain allows hospitals to securely store patients' records, ensuring they are only accessible to authorized personnel. No more lost or altered medical histories, just safe, seamless access for better care. Number 4. Government. Fraud prevention and transparency. Governments are also getting in on blockchain. From secure voting systems to transparent public records, blockchain prevents fraud and increases trust and also ensures data integrity. Estonia is already using blockchain for digital identities and governance. Proof that the future is here. Blockchain isn't just for big corporations. Businesses of all sizes can benefit. Whether you are in finance, logistics, healthcare, or even real estate, blockchain can enhance security, build trust, and streamline operations. So the big question is, how can your business leverage blockchain? The answer: a strategic implementation partner who understands your need and build the right solutions for you. At SDLC Corp, we specialize in helping businesses integrate blockchain solutions that are tailored to their industry. From supply chain transparency to secure financial transactions, we help enterprises to unlock the power of blockchain for real business impact. Blockchain isn't the future, it's happening now. Let's work together to bring security, efficiency, and transparency to your business. Want to explore how blockchain can revolutionize your business? Let's connect. Drop us a message or visit our website www.sdlccorp.com to get started on your blockchain journey today. The future of secure and transparent business is here. Don't get left behind.